Hola, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. My name is Riley, and I am the Muse's unofficial beauty and lifestyle expert. Y'all, unpopular opinion, it's 2021, and y'all, we were up here during New Year's like we always are. And then it just goes back down, and it sinks, okay? It is a diver. I am diving in. I'm a swimmer. I'm allowed to say these jokes. Just found out that 2020 is on record one of the hottest years ever. And who do we gotta thank for that? Not Miss Rona, although we gotta thank her for a lot of things. I know you guys, and I know what you want. You guys want my frog hat. You guys want to place fourth in backstroke. You guys want my Barbie DVD collection. I see you, I know you. But what you should want is to save the environment, okay? And that's what I'm gonna help you do. So let's get into it. What's really nice about this DIY is that there are a few things that you can do with a simple artist canvas, okay? You're like me, you're a little artsy, you have a canvas like this, or even better, you have a shoebox like this. This is the top of a boot box. It is cute, and I decorated this when I was 12. Furthermore, I think there are some DIYs that you can do with these two things that'll look really cute. All you need is some push pins, some tape, and of course, some jewelry. Oh, and before I forget, hot glue. So I am fancy, and I can take the little push pin thingy and I can take it out of the thing and hot glue it onto my canvas, and that is something that I can use for jewelry. But if you don't want to go like that, and if you have a shoebox, you can stick your push pin in, hot glue the little the pointy bit so it's secure, and bam, that's how you can have a steady area for your push pin. And then you can tape either your canvas or the box onto your wall, and it is a super simple DIY that can save the environment. Push pins, what do? Throw them away? They're plastic. Ew, we don't want that. What are you gonna do with the boxes? It's made out of wood, it's made out of trees. Oh my God. Okay, excess trash is a real problem in this world, and we have to solve it. So use whatever scraps of paper you have and put that in your room because it looks cute, okay? It looks patchwork. That's what we're going for. Of course, if you don't want to go in any of those routes, you can take yourself a string that's left over. I know lots of fancy packaging has these has ribbon or string, and what you can do is you can either tack it or tape it and make a little jewelry or sunglasses hanger. This saves a lot of storage and looks really, really nice. Also very inventive. You'll look very crafty. For this mask hanger DIY, you are going to need a shoebox box, some tape, I prefer box tape, and some scissors, some screws, and some push pins. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to grab your box, you're going to cut it in half. You are going to tape one half on top of the other at a slightly different angle. So there's two little gaps, one at the top and one at the bottom. Don't worry about the one at the bottom. It's not going to be a worry because it's going to be stuck to your wall. You're going to tape the two sides, and then you can either tape or push pin this little box to your wall. But if you want to go a step further, use your little push pin and push into the box like so, and then screw on these little baby screws so they can be little mask holders. Because let me tell you, I hate when I'm biking and I see a disposable mask. It is gross, guys. Buy yourself some reusable masks. And invent a biodegradable throwaway mask, because if you're gonna throw it away, at least let it develop with nature, okay? These masks, they're gross. They are not good for the environment. If I see one more, my head is going to explode and it's going to be a lot to clean up, and I'm sure it's also not good for the environment. Then again, I am a part of nature, so I may decompose. Anyway, and that concludes the video, guys. Please check out the other videos that I've made for the Muse, and of course, like this video, follow the Muse. Every follow means that we get to do the videos that we love. We get to tell your stories, and we get to tell our own, and my own just happens to be cleaning.